Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. In this situation, we need to find about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda t. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have lambda square, we have lambda e to the power of lambda t. Later that, if we do second the derivative of this one, we have lambda square e to the power of lambda t. So this is about complementary solutions. So we put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one going here, this one going here, and this one going here. Next, e to the power of lambda t, we can do about factorization. And now I will put this one equals to number 0. So we can find the solutions of lambda. So we have lambda equals to 5/2 plus the square root of number 71 over number 2. And we have I. That is about complex unit. And now we have 5/2 minus the square root of 71 over 2. And we have I in here. Now we have yc that should be about c number 1. That is about the constant number 1, e to the power of lambda t. So I will put this one going here. And we have c number 2, e to the power of this one. And we have t. So in this situation, we can write into another way. That should be about c number 1, e to the power of 5/2t. And we have sine of the square root of 71 over 2. And we have t in here. And we have c number 2, e to the power of 5/2t cosine of the square root of 71 over 2t. Now we go to particular solutions. Now we have this one in here. First, we have the formula sin t square equals to 1 minus cosine 2t over 2. So this one we have 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine 2t. And now I will change sin t square into this one. So we can use about undetermined coefficients. So I will put about yb equals to a plus b cosine 2t plus c sine 2t. Next, if we do first derivative of this one, we have negative 2b sine 2t plus 2c cosine 2t. Now, if we do second derivative of this one, so we have negative 4b cosine 2t minus 4c sine 2t. Now I will put this one, and this one go in here. And this one equals to this one. Now we need to simplify. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of cosine 2t and sine 2t. About cosine 2t, we have negative 4b and negative number 5 with positive number 2. We have negative number 10c. We have 24 with b, so we have 24b. Now, about sine 2t. So in this situation, we have negative 4c and negative number 5 with negative 2b. That is about positive 10b. We have 24 with c, so we have 24c. And the last one, we have 24a. So, negative 4b with 24b, we have positive 20b. Negative 4c, 24c, we have 20c. Next, we have 24a equal to 1 over 2. That's it about the first one. So a equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by 24. So we put number 24 go to the right. And we have 1 over 48. The next one, we have the system of equations. So that is about negative 10c plus 20b. This one we have cosine 2t, so this one we have negative 1 over 2, so we put negative 1 over 2 in here. The next one, 10b plus 20c equals to number 0 because we don't have sine 2t on the right. And now we need to find the solutions of c and b. So c equals to 1 over 100 and b equals to negative 1 over 50. Now we put a, b, c, go back in here. So a equals to 1 over 48. B equals to negative number 1 over 50. And c equals to 1 over 100. And now we combine yc and yb in here. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.